So in order to bring back that item, we're going to need to do a put. And so we'll make our way over back to the documentation here, go to the top, search for put. There it is. And we have a put item, we specify the table, then we need to specify the actual item, and we have a bunch of other options. But we'll go down to examples here. And you can see that we have AWS DynamoDB put item, table name, and the actual item itself. And then we also have return consumed capacity. I don't know if we need that. Let's just take a look and read about it. Determines the level of detail about provision throughput consumption that is returned. So this is just going to give us additional information about actual consumed capacity. I think that's a good idea. We could check out what kind of capacity is being used up. So we'll go back to the top here, go to examples, but this is obviously optional. And we're going to copy this command here and we'll paste this here. And then I'm just going to make this a single line to make our lives a little bit easier. This one's a little bit long, but it's not that bad. And we will make a new file called item. And we need to grab the name of the table again, starships. And we need to fill out that item file. So we will open that up and we will take a look at what that would look like. So that's an example of the file. So let's grab this example here. And what we'll do is we need to go get this record again. So we deleted what was the name of the file. We'll go back to the key here. It's Excelsior type Okinawa, I assume. It's this record here. So I'm just going to grab this data here, grab the whole row, and we will go back to the item file here, paste it on down here, and then we just need to name all these. We'll grab the names from here. Just going to do a refresh. So we have ship class. Then we have registry. Whoops. Then we have description. Not really doing it in any particular order. And then we have name. The order doesn't matter as long as you get all the information in. And so this is the name of the ship. This is the registry number. This is the ship class. And then this is the description. We will save that. And so that should be what we need to get this to work. So I'm going to copy this file here. We're going to paste it in on there. And we have an error, item expecting a comma delimiter. So maybe we made a minor mistake in our item file here. Yeah, we don't have a comma on the end here. And we'll go back, hit up, hit enter, and there you go. And it told us how many capacity units it consumed, which was 1 write capacity unit. So, I mean, that could be good if you need to do something pragmatic and make sure you're not over consuming. But let's go see if that record now exists in the table. So we'll just do a query here. We'll go back to here. Actually, we could just use a get item to do that. That'd be probably smarter. So I'm just going to copy this here, paste that in. Yep, so the record is back. So now that we know how to put an item, let's talk about how we would actually go ahead and update an item next.